Greetings, Earthlings. I am here today to talk about the February 2020 BoxyCharm. This is actually filled with other makeup that I am going to do a video with. That's why it is so loud. But this is the box. I was actually pretty impressed with this month's box. I don't even want to talk about the January box. That one was an actual, I hated the January box. But this February box, I'm pretty impressed with. So let's just go ahead and roll into things. First and foremost, we have the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I got the shade Vanilla. It's a little too light for me, but I blame myself because ultimately I did choose the shade. But it's pretty nice. I don't know if it's because it's so heavy coverage or because it's too light for me. When I put it on, it doesn't look that great as I'm blending it in, and it gets weird in some spots. I don't know if I tried a darker shade, if it wouldn't be so difficult, or the foundation just isn't as good as I kind of think that it is. I don't think it's terrible. I've tried worse foundations. So overall, it's not too bad. It is $44 in stores, and it smells like the Wet n Wild foundation. So it's kind of got a yucky smell, but it wears off, kind of. Not really. It doesn't really wear off, but it's not as bad as a Wet n Wild foundation, but it still doesn't smell good. But ultimately, I don't hate it, and that's what really matters. I don't hate it. And I do like that BoxyCharm is now willing to go a little bit further and add these kinds of products into the boxes. And again, I blame myself for getting a shade that's too light, but that's what bronzer's for. Secondly, we have the Ciate London Coconut Setting Powder. I've used this a handful of times now, and I quite like it. It's very white when you put it on, but it's translucent, so it once you spread it around, it goes away, and it smells really good too, like coconut. It's very finely milled, so it gets a little bit messy, but I ran out of my other setting powders, so I'm like, why not? Let's use it. And this retails for, pardon me, they didn't give us an actual insert this month. They emailed it to us, but since I'm filming on my phone, I took the liberty of writing all the prices in this Are You Afraid of the Dark journal that I got from the Nick box, another subscription box that I am no longer subscribed to. The Ciate powder is $22. Is it worth $22? I don't think so. Thirdly, I got the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Gilded Honey. And for the second time in recent months, it came broken. I think the last BoxyCharm video I did was my BoxyLuxe for December, and the highlighter in that one came broken as well. But I wasn't too upset about it because I already have it. Yeah, I mean, it sucks that it's a product that I already have, but it also sucks that it's super broken. But I do have it already. This retails for $26, but I got this one at TJ Maxx for much, much cheaper. So take with that information what you will. I do like it. I am wearing it. It looks like it would be really dark, but it's not too dark. But that is the second time they've given me a really dark highlighter. I might need to update my profile on BoxyCharm. Maybe I thought I was tanner than I was, but then again, I got a foundation that's too light. But you can't win everything, can you? But yes, broken highlighter from BoxyCharm. Not broken highlighter from TJ Maxx. It is a good highlighter though, and I liked how they put it in the box because I've got a handful of the Laura Geller baked ones and they're all really good. So, but I have a plan on what I'm gonna do with my broken and expired makeup if I ever get around to filming that video. Fourth, we got these little sponges from Luxy, and this set of sponges retails for $40. I have not used these yet. They feel soft. This one looks just like the Real Techniques one that I like. And this one reminds me of the Eco Tools one that I really like as well. Except the Eco Tools one side is longer than the other. And this one looks like the little beauty blender, which I'm not a big fan of the beauty blender, but oh well. Do I think this set is worth $40? Probably not, but I still haven't used it. So it could be worth $40, who knows? But it'll be hard to beat my Real Techniques and Eco Tools ones, which are a lot cheaper. Last in the box, I got this Evio Skin times Aurora, I don't know what any of that means, Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. I've never tried anything with that specific ingredient, but these aren't bad. You can never have enough makeup remover wipes, and these ones I've really kind of just used to clean off swatches and whatnot. They're very soapy. And they smell okay. They smell like other kinds of makeup wipes I've used, but they're not bad. And this little pack goes for $10 and it has 15 wipes in it. The simple ones I think have 25 and they go for like $7. So also take that information however you please. And BoxyCharm has also started letting you do add-ons like FabFitFun, another subscription box I used to be subscribed to. So I had picked up 2 things, and these actually were shipped separately. They weren't like added to the box or anything, but I got this by a brand called Seraphine Botanicals. This is a whimsical wisteria conditioning lip polish. It's just like a lip scrub, and I get really dry lips. This smells good. It's nice. I used it this morning before I put on this lipstick. I don't remember how much I paid for it or how much it was worth, but it's pretty. And I like the word whimsical. I just really do. I like the word whimsical. And I did get another add-on. I got a Too Faced melted lipstick in the shade Bend and Snap, which is like a really pretty pink color, but I have no idea what I did with it. I know I got it in the mail. I don't think, I might have swatched it. I don't think I ever used it. And I just have no idea what I did with it. I was looking for it. I can't find it. So yeah, there's that. Next month will be BoxyLuxe, and I'm excited for that. I did sign up for Boxy Premium, and I was put on the wait list, but I haven't heard anything back in quite a while. I'm honestly confused by all the different BoxyCharms now, and I know the base box has been raised in price from like $21 to $25 or something like that, but they are improving in what they do, so that's all I can ask for. Oh, and for more subscribers. Hey, please subscribe to me so I can make money again. I haven't made money yet. I still need over 500 subscribers to get AdSense and make any kind of money. So please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe to me. Just help girl out so I can make videos and buy makeup and try to be a beauty guru. Please subscribe. I love you. Have a good weekend and bye. That was scary.